Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that has captured the hearts of chili lovers everywhere. Carroll Shelby's original Texas brand chili kit. This is not just any chili kit, it's the best Carol Shelby chili kit on the market. If you're looking to whip up a batch of delicious, hearty chili with minimal effort, you're in the right place. Let's start with what makes this chili kit a must-have for your kitchen. Each box contains 3.65 ounces of expertly crafted seasoning mix, specifically designed to season 2 pounds of meat or chicken. It comes with individual packets of spices, cayenne pepper, and masa flour, ensuring that every bowl you serve is bursting with flavor. You have the option to make either the classic original Texas chili or the creamy white chicken chili, both of which are easy to prepare and perfect for family gatherings or cozy nights in. Preparing your chili is straightforward. Simply brown your meat, add the included spice mix, tomato sauce, and water, and let it simmer. The cooking time is around 30 minutes, which means you can have a piping hot, home-cooked meal ready in no time. The flexibility of the kit allows you to adjust the heat to your liking. Simply add more cayenne for a spicier kick or omit it entirely for a milder dish. What sets Carol Shelby's chili kit apart is its rich, authentic flavor profile. The blend of spices is meticulously formulated to create that classic chili taste we all know and love. From the earthy notes of cumin and paprika to the robust garlic powder, each ingredient complements the other perfectly, making this chili kit a crowd pleaser. But the versatility doesn't end there. This kit allows you to get creative. You can customize your chili by adding your favorite ingredients, whether that's chopped onions, diced bell peppers, or even beans for added texture. And once your chili is ready, the fun continues with a variety of topping options. Think shredded cheese, sour cream, jalapenos, or even corn chips for that perfect crunch. You can serve it on its own or use it as a topping for burgers, tacos, or even spaghetti. The possibilities are endless. For those who are health conscious, it's worth noting that this chili kit is gluten-free and can easily be adapted for various dietary preferences. The nutritional information highlights that you'll get about 6 servings per kit, making it an excellent choice for family dinners or meal prep. Now, let's talk about value. This kit typically retails for around $23.92 for a pack of 8, which breaks down to about $2.99 per kit. When you consider that you're getting a high-quality product that saves you time and effort, it's a worthwhile investment for anyone who loves chili. So, if you're searching for a quick and delicious way to satisfy your chili cravings, look no further than Carol Shelby's original Texas brand chili kit. It's easy to use, full of flavor, and incredibly versatile. Give it a try and let your creativity shine in the kitchen. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews. Happy cooking!